The searching for service error on your Total Wireless device means it can't connect to the network, preventing calls, texts, and data. This often stems from temporary network congestion, software glitches after updates, or SIM card issues. First, perform a network reset. On Android, go to Settings, System, Reset Options, Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile, and Bluetooth. On iOS, toggle airplane mode on and off, or reset network settings via Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone, Reset network settings. If the issue persists, a faulty or improperly seated SIM card is likely the problem. Also, restart your device by holding the power button. Network resets fix most cases by clearing cached data and forcing a fresh network scan. If a network reset doesn't resolve the searching for service issue, inspect your SIM card. Use a SIM ejector tool to safely remove the card from your device. Once removed, check the SIM card for physical damage such as cracks, bends, or corrosion on the metal contacts. If the card appears clean, gently clean it with a soft cloth. Avoid using liquids or abrasive materials. Reseat the SIM card firmly in its tray and reinsert into your device. Ensure it's properly aligned. If the SIM card is damaged, request a free replacement from Total Wireless through their website or app. Many users find this an effective long-term solution. Ensure your APN settings are correct for Total Wireless. Check the cellular data settings on your device. Use the automated diagnostic tools in the Total Wireless app to quickly identify and resolve connectivity issues. Remember, experts recommend starting with network resets, which resolve 80% of cases. Total Wireless uses Verizon's network, so peak usage can affect connectivity.